Navigators. So I wanted to share a little bit more nonfiction with you today. And I know that you love this National Geographic Kids series. We have so many of these books and people are always checking them out. So I thought that this one, Storms, would be a good one for right now because, oh my gosh, we are having lots of storms predicted to happen this week. And summer is just kind of like that. It gets hot, it gets humid, and it gets stormy. So I wanted to learn a little bit more about storms, and I hope you do too. Let's see what this National Geographic book can teach us about storms. Storms by Miriam Bush Goyne. And here's our table of contents. This tells us the topics that we're going to be reading about and the pages that those topics will be found on. Weather. Storms are important. Living things need fresh water from rain and snow. Wind can help clean the air. Weather cools and heats our planet, so it is just right for life. Clouds are made of drops of water so small they float. These clouds look heavy and gray. Can you hear the wind blow? Leaves wave back and forth on branches. What's happening? Wild, wonderful, stormy weather. Thunder and lightning. Flash! Boom! In these storm clouds, the drops of water have frozen. Little ice crystals are bumping wildly against big crystals. This makes lightning. Lightning heats the air quickly. This very fast temperature change makes sound waves. The sound is thunder. Lightning is electricity. It is hotter than the sun. Some lightning jumps from cloud to cloud. Some jumps from the ground to the sky. Lightning can make loops and patterns in the sky. It can even roll in a ball. Lightning bolts can travel 60 miles or more. In the picture here it says this is ribbon lightning. It happens when strong winds push the lightning bolts sideways. And here's a lightning joke. What did one lightning bolt say to the other? You are shocking. Hailstorm. Thunk, clunk. Some thunderstorms make hailstones. Hailstones are not stones, they are ice. Ice crystals in some thunderclouds get tumbled in the cloud. They get bigger and bigger until they are so heavy they fall. Hail can be big or small. It can be round or long. Look at this picture, an unusually big hailstone. Tornado. Strong winds blow. Dark clouds cover the sky. Hail falls. Suddenly, it is quiet. In the distance, a cone-shaped funnel cloud touches the ground. Tornado, twister, cyclone. These are all names for a fierce, fast, twisting wind. Over water, tornadoes are called waterspouts. Hey, here's another joke. What is a tornado's favorite game? Twister. Sandstorm. A wall of wind picks up sand. As the wind crosses the land, it picks up more sand. The wall grows higher. When it roars past, it can knock down fences. In Australia, they call the storms willy willies. In Sudan, they call them haboobs. Blizzard. Snowflakes fall from very cold clouds. A cold wind blows the snow so hard you cannot see in front of you. Snowflakes are ice crystals. In a blizzard, there are billions and trillions of snowflakes. Monsoon. Monsoons are winds that change each season. India has only 2 seasons. Winter monsoons are dry. Summer monsoons bring lots of rain. Everyone cheers because the rain helps food grow. Here's a joke. How is rain saved? In cloud banks. Hurricane. It is late summer. Dark clouds form over the ocean. Strong winds pull ocean water up into spinning clouds. Hurricane, cyclone, typhoon! Hurricane winds knock down houses. Water floods streets and homes. Hurricane winds spin in a circle. The middle of a hurricane is still and calm. It is called the eye of the storm. Here's another joke from National Geographic. How do hurricanes see? With one eye. Out of this world. Where are the worst storms? Not on Earth. Jupiter's hurricane has been blowing for more than 400 years. In 2006, a lightning storm on Saturn lasted for weeks. The lightning bolts were more than 1,000 times stronger than Earth's. Neptune has winds that blow 900 miles per hour. Look at the picture. Jupiter's hurricane is called the Great Red Spot. Guess. Storms are made of many small parts. Together with wind, these tiny bits are strong. Guess what each tiny bit is? Can you guess? Take a look at the top. A. Sand grains. B. Snowflake crystals. C. Raindrops. D. Hail pellets. House for a storm. This home is on stilts. After a monsoon, water and mud flow under the house. In a sandstorm, this tent keeps sand out. An underground storm cellar keeps people safe during a tornado. Wild animals, wild weather. In blizzard winds, these musk oxen huddle together. They face the wind so their bodies stay warmer. In a haboob, camels shut a second pair of eyelids to protect their eyes from sand. Their long, thin nostrils and extra hairy ears keep sand out. In monsoon rains, some monkeys keep dry in buildings or other branches. Other monkeys don't mind getting wet. And here in the end of our nonfiction storm book, there is a small glossary of important words. Weather, what it is like outside. Crystal, a shape that is the same on many sides. Electricity, energy that can be natural or man-made. Funnel, a cone shape, wider at the top. Well, Gators, that was some pretty interesting reading. And I'm kind of wondering if it's going to be storming here pretty soon. The clouds are getting really gray. I think I'm going to head back inside. I'll see you again soon.